welcome to Asa Happy World. Please give me a like and subscribe and share to all your friends. Hi, I'm Austin. Today I'm going to teach you C. C, C, C. C, C, C. C, C, C. Car. Car. I love my new car. 我爱我的新车。C, C, C. Chick. 小鸡。小鸡 chick. The chick is yellow. 这只小鸡是黄色的。C, C, C. Carrot. 胡萝卜 carrot. Carrots are good for your eyes. 胡萝卜对你的眼睛很好。C, C, C. Corn. Corn. Popcorn is tasty. 爆米花很好吃。C, C, C. Cat. 猫咪 cat. I always pat